So first of all, how to add a drop-down list. Now if you see, this is sheet 1, it's just got these things on it, but sheet 2 has got this list of cities that I wrote down earlier, and this is going to be the example of the list that people have got to choose a city from. So let's put the drop-down list there, just as a random square on this sheet. So what you do is click on data at the top, and there you see data validation, so click on that. Now this is what it looks like when your window is maximized. If your window is a bit smaller, you'll see the data validation is just on one line, so it might be a bit harder to find. But basically if you click on data, look for this section, data tools, you should be able to find it. And if you use it a lot, you can right click there and then add to quick access toolbar, and then it appears up there, and then you can always find that very easily after that. So let's create the list there in that point. So click data validation, and then you click settings. Now you see you have different options here. So the default is any value. You can put anything in there you like. So if you want to restrict them, you click on that. So you see you can easily restrict them to inputting a whole number, a decimal, a list, which is what I'm going to go over today, or you can restrict them to putting a date in there, time in there, text of a certain length, or something custom. Custom means you could put a formula, so in other words it has to be more than 2 greater than what's in the cell to the left of it, for example. So we're going to do a list, and then it's asking you the source of the list, which is the list of cities on the other page. So you can click on that arrow and then click on sheet 2 and then just select them. Then press enter, then press OK, and there we have it. This is now we've created a drop down list. It's as easy as that. So click on it, select one of these, London. So if you try and type in something else, suppose you try and type in Delhi, it will not let you. The value doesn't match the data validation restrictions defined for this cell. So no matter how many times you retry, so retry means you can just type something else. So now you can just start typing in London, for example, and it will let you do that. Or you can just select from the list. So that's how to add a drop-down list. Now the next step is to, we've done that,